HorizonsAI is not another AI chat window competing for your attention. It is the browser-native operating system for people who run a business. Built to help you think, decide, and operate, not just type questions into a box. This is not public noise, and it was never meant to be. It is a curated workspace. One intelligent sidebar that quietly routes every question to the right specialist model, so nothing gets lost between 10 open tabs and a dozen half-finished chats. Strategy, marketing, sales, content, data, automation. 12 specialists living in one new tab, covering the real, unglamorous work of building and running a business, connected to the tools you already trust, from Google Workspace to your CRM. Every request moves through the same discipline: plan, execute, verify, deliver. Nothing ships until it has been checked. That is not hype. That is simply how serious operators work. Ambient, powerful. Built for operators, not spectators. This is HorizonsAI, your business operating system at horizonsai.dev.